Man, this April Fool's price action today was some pretty fucked up shit. I'm not gonna lie. So I took a bunch of trades today. Look, like let's see, one, two, three. I only took 4 trades today, which is one more than I normally do. But with this new indicator that I built out, I mean, it is dead ass too free. I mean, I see an A plus setup. It is dead ass impossible to not hit the buy button when I'm like, it's like all 6 of my confluences, they happen in sequential order. It's not up to human error. Like, I can't make a mistake. I mean, this is like algorithms confirming my entry. So I don't know. We're gonna have to find a way to limit myself a little bit. But so here's the trades. So this first trade, market opened and we inversed this gap over here. We have data high above. Data highs have a statistical like 83.6% chance of being hit within the same day. So this is a Trump news candle. And honestly, I thought we were gonna just go up and just hit this data high and then reverse down and get all the sell side liquidity we would generate. But that was not the case with this trade. So I was just going for a little continuation long after we retraced into this 5-minute gap and respected it and went higher. So I went break even here. So not mad about it. Just didn't play out how I wanted to. And then the minute after, I have a really bad habit of doing this. We have a really strong 5-minute inversion with tons of speed in CISD. After sweeping this buy side liquidity, I mean, this is like an A plus trade. It's just really unfortunate that it happened right after the last trade. So I mean, I could have waited to just take this trade instead. That's probably the lesson that needs to be learned here. Went break even on this fucking one, or I took a full L on this one because my rule is the candle has to close below my break even level for me to move the stop, just so I don't get like faked out and then it comes back up and then goes down to take profit. So I just took the L on this one today, but it was 525 on that one, which is my allocated risk amount for a trade. So I was happy with that trade. Statistical L, honestly. I mean, we had Asia low below, and this is just super clean setup. I'm just kind of surprised we didn't run to those Asia lows because I mean, but afterwards, you see this fucking bullshit. We start accumulating, but as we're accumulating, this is a good time for us to generate liquidity, and then we manipulate down with this fake inversion. If you're an experienced trader, you know this is fake. And then we get an A++ setup to that data high, man. We get a really clean inversion, this 5-minute inverse, and on the 1 minute. Indicator alerted me all the way down here. I got on the charts late, so I got this entry all the way up here, which is unfortunate because had I got my entry down here, I would have nailed take profit way, way sooner. It wouldn't even been a question. I don't even know where I got my fucking, I don't even know. But, so that's unfortunate, but fuck, I lost my train of thought, dude. But this price action was pretty weak. We just chopped up. I mean, we're maintaining bullish market structure, but it's really slow. And so I took some partials, took 4 here, and then just moved my stop and took all my profit. Basically, lost about $50. Lost out on $50 here, but still, this trade brought me back up out of off this L. So I think I'm break even at this point right here. And then I didn't take this one just because I wasn't paying attention. Again, this happened while I wasn't on the chart. I think this one was A+2. As you can see, we got our entry down here, and you just target this high up here. Shit would have smacked again. So this indicator is dead ass no fucking joke. Like, if you want this shit, I mean, I guess I can hand it out like that, but I mean, this shit's actually free as fuck. And then got on the chart for Asia session right as I got on. If we go on the 5-minute chart, it's actually trying to tell us to top ticket, which I did get in on. I saw this playing out in real time, so I got in on this entry right here. And I mean, this shit had me really pissed off earlier. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I mean, I feel like this is broken or something. I might need to stop charting on the micro chart because this shit literally hit take profit. Like, the take profit's right here, and the wick went below it. So I'm like 100% sure that is when take profit is executed, when price goes below a certain level. And it was moving so volatile. Like, these candles it would be small up here, and then it would dump all the way down here and move back up. Like, that's the case of what happened this one. It came down and then it came back up like immediately within a millisecond. So it's like price came down to that level. I should have gone filled at take profit. Got edged a few times. So I was like really fucking pissed. I was in the car on the way home from work, and I was all cheery and shit because I thought I was about to hit a banger trade. And, you know, then we go break even here, and then price just dumps, man. I mean, do you see this shit? Like, absolutely delivers, bro, after just manipulating me out. So that was really frustrating. But, you know, I mean, what can you do about it? I mean, you know, these L's are bound to happen, but I just feel like there was a glitch or something. That wick should not have been like that. Okay, so now, right now, I'm seeing the... Wait, no, I'm not. That's the same shit, so I don't know. I really don't know. That I feel like that should have been a win. I mean, I didn't move the stop, the take profit, like this little, the forecasting tool at all. Like, this is how it was when I set it. So I don't know, but it was A plus setup anyway. Accumulation, manipulation, and then we distribute, inversing this 5 minute. Clear draws on liquidity, size D. I mean, it checked off all the fucking boxes down here, basically, dude. So those are the trades for the day. If we go on here, we are good. We are up on the day, 644. Would have been up like 1400 had that last trade played out, but you know, you can't complain on a green day like this. So since I started journaling on March 2nd, we have made $10,721, which, I mean, can't complain about that, right, dude? I mean, if I was on a funded account and trading, I trade realistic contract sizes too. I'm not one of those LARPers who does like 1 million minis and makes $1 million. These are all with micros, maybe one mini sometimes. So pretty realistic, I'd say. 10,000. I mean, across 45 trades. Let's see. So that means my average one is $619. So like, that's pretty realistic, I'd say, and my win rate's solid. I mean, 64% right now. It's only gone up, and the more volume of data I have in here, the more accurate that number's gonna get. So this number right now isn't really too relevant, but I mean, I'm just winning a lot. Like, not even on some cock shit. Like, I'm just actually winning a lot. And you know, that's I journal like in three different places a day. Manifest, meditate. I have clear headspace by get on the chart. I stay consistent. I'm disciplined. I work out. I mean, my whole life is consistent, not on some SGA shit, but like everything. When you want to be a profitable trader, you can't have outliers in your life. You know, you can't be doing a bunch of stupid shit and then expecting the charts to translate your profitability. I mean, that's just not how it works. So, you know, if you actually want to take this shit seriously, you have to have passion for learning, not the money. I mean, this number's cool and all, but this doesn't mean anything. I mean, especially not right now. This is not real money. But I actually love, I get more satisfaction seeing my trade idea being right and seeing the setup play out how I anticipated it to play out more than I see the daily P&L. That's just the truth. And that's the point of the stage like your mind needs to be in when the money starts coming to you. The money is just a side effect. The learning is the real process. That is the real rewarding part of this journey. So enough yapping. That's my trade recap. I'm going to post this on YouTube. I think this is going to be my first video. So let me know. I know probably nobody's going to end up watching this bullshit. But, you know, one day this shit won't be so funny. Yeah, I'm gonna edit this shit one day. I'm gonna be in this my fucking M4 competition, and it's gonna be like clips of me changing the gears, and it's just gonna be little clips of me saying this bullshit. But yeah, coming back stronger tomorrow. I will not force trades, and I'll be ready. So, peace.